2025 Ford Transit Campervan, the ultimate road trip companion. The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is a standout option in the campervan market, offering the perfect balance of practicality, luxury, and versatility. Designed for road trip enthusiasts, digital nomads, and adventurers, this campervan builds on Ford's robust engineering heritage with thoughtful updates to meet the needs of modern travelers. Exterior design and build quality. The 2025 Transit Campervan features a bold and modern design, seamlessly combining aesthetics and functionality. A larger grille and updated LED headlamps enhance visibility and add a stylish edge. Aerodynamic improvements reduce drag, contributing to better fuel efficiency and highway stability. Durability is key, with a reinforced chassis and high-strength body panels designed to withstand rugged terrains. Roof racks provide extra storage, and optional all-terrain tires cater to off-road enthusiasts. The rear sports redesigned LED taillights and a high-mounted brake light for enhanced safety and visibility. Interior comfort and layout. Step inside, and the Transit Campervan impresses with its spacious, ergonomic layout, designed to maximize comfort and utility. High-quality materials, soft-touch plastics, premium upholstery, and brushed aluminum accents elevate the cabin's feel. Ambient LED lighting adds warmth and creates a relaxing atmosphere, especially during nighttime stops. Living space. A flexible seating area converts into a cozy sleeping arrangement for 2 to 4 people, depending on the configuration. Comfortable sleep. Memory foam mattresses and insulated walls ensure comfort in all weather conditions. Kitchenette. Fully equipped with a 2-burner gas stove, stainless steel sink, 12V refrigerator, and ample storage for cookware and pantry items. Bathroom facilities. Includes a wet bath with a toilet, shower, and retractable sink, making it suitable for off-grid living. Storage solutions. Overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and underbed storage maximize space for personal belongings and outdoor gear. Powertrain and performance. The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan offers multiple powertrain options to cater to diverse needs. Base engine, 3.5 LV6, producing 275 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque for reliable performance. EcoBoost V6, 3.5L EcoBoost engine delivers 310 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque, ideal for towing and climbing steep inclines. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV, a gasoline engine combined with an electric motor for enhanced fuel economy and lower emissions, a great choice for eco-conscious travelers. Technology and connectivity. Ford equips the 2025 Transit Campervan with state-of-the-art technology for a seamless driving and living experience. Infotainment. A 12-inch touchscreen with SunC infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Smart features. Wi-Fi connectivity, multiple USB ports, and a wireless charging pad keep devices powered and connected. Driver assistance. Advanced safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360 degrees camera system for easier maneuvering. Off-road and camping features. For those who venture off the beaten path, the Transit Trail model enhances the van's off-road capabilities. Higher ground clearance and underbody skid plates for rough terrains. All-terrain tires provide better grip on challenging surfaces. Built-in inverter and auxiliary battery system power appliances. Solar panel options for renewable energy and extended off-grid stays. Swiveling front seats and modular interior allow versatile use for dining, working, or relaxing. Optional roof tent expands sleeping capacity for larger groups. Customization and packages. The 2025 Transit Campervan is highly customizable, offering factory-installed and aftermarket options. Upfit packages. Adventure-friendly add-ons like bike racks, awnings, and additional storage solutions. Professional kits. trade-specific upfits for mobile workshops and professionals. Luxury add-ons, leather seating, upgraded sound systems, and advanced climate control for an extra premium feel. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. The base V6 engine delivers decent mileage for a campervan. The EcoBoost option balances power and efficiency. The plug-in hybrid variant excels with low emissions and an impressive range, making it ideal for sustainable travel. Pricing and value. The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is competitively priced. Base model starts at $50,000. Fully equipped models with premium features can reach $75,000 plus. While not the cheapest option, its build quality, features, and versatility justify the price. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Transit Campervan is a top-tier choice for adventurers seeking comfort, technology, and performance on the road. Its modern design, powerful engine options, and off-road capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of users, from weekend explorers to full-time van lifers. With its customizable options and cutting-edge features, the Transit Campervan sets a new benchmark in the recreational vehicle market. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, VIP Auto TV, for more exciting car reviews and updates.